Now बच्चे have a look on illustration number 1. State whether the following transactions are capital expenditure or revenue expenditure. Give reasons. You have to give the reasons कि following expenditures are revenue or capital. You have to bifurcate them. First is बच्चे rupees 5200 spent on repair before using a second hand car purchased recently. We have recently purchased an asset, second hand asset, and we have spent some repair on that. So it is a capital expenditure and will be debited to the car account because the expenses have been incurred before the car is put to use. Anything we are spending before using the car or before the car is put to use, those expenditures are capital expenditure. And after we are using already any asset or any car, afterwards we are spending anything that is repair, normal repair, and that will be revenue expenditure. Next is bache, during the year rupees 3000 were spent on repairing of various machines. Now here it is not said that we have made this asset put to use. We were already using those machines and we have just gone for the routine repair. We have just gone for the routine repair. So it is revenue expenditure because the expenses have been incurred on the repair of existing machine. It is an expenditure of routine nature. That's why it is a revenue expenditure. Third is बच्चे freight and cartage on new machines 1200, erection charges 600. Now here is written new machine. Whenever it is written new machine, so it is a capital expenditure and will be debited to machine account only. This is a expenditure on the purchase of new machine, not the old one. Any expenditure on before putting to use any asset is your capital expenditure. Now bache fourth one, a sum of rupees 4000 was spent on whitewashing and painting the new factory. A sum of rupees 4000 was spent on whitewashing and painting the new factory. As a factory is whitewashed and painted for the first time, it should be treated as capital expenditure. It is not yet started, bache. This is a new factory. So whatever expenditure before starting that asset is capital expenditure. Fifth one, cost of annual whitewashing of the building. This is a revenue expenditure because it is a normal regular expenditure. Normal whitewashing every year or annual year, every year we are going. This is routine nature expenditure, so that is why it is a revenue expenditure. Next is bache, fire insurance premium was paid on July 1, 2018 for the full year 2400. Books are closed on 31st March every year. But we are closing our books on 31st March, but we have paid the insurance from 1st July to next year's 1st July. From 1st July to 1st July. Whatever we have spent for July to March, that is revenue expenditure, normal routine. And whatever we have spent for next year, that will be the next year's revenue. Fire insurance premium amounting to rupees 1800 from 1st July to 31st March is revenue expenditure, and extra which we have paid rupees 600 from April 1 to 2019 June 30 is a prepaid expense and will be charged to the next year's revenue. So this is a kind of current asset. Whenever we will use it for next few months, it will be converted into revenue expenditure. So this is our current asset. Expenditure which you have done for this year till March, that is revenue. And after March to 1st July, that is your current asset. Next is bache rupees 20,000 spent towards additions to the machinery. We have done some additions, new additions to the machinery. It is a capital expenditure since it will result in an increase in the earning capacity, because with the help of this earning capacity will be increased. Last is बचे rupees 5,000 were spent in connection with the issue of capital and rupees 3,000 were incurred as legal expenses in raising a debenture loan. For issuing capital and for taking debenture loan, we have spent rupees 3,000. So both these expenditures are not related to routine expenditures. Total rupees 8,000 is capital expenditure since it is incurred on raising the capital for the business. Either it is capital expenditure, or issue of share capital or taking the loan. We are just increasing the earning capacity. So it is our capital expenditure, not the revenue.